Have you ever wondered why professional housekeepers secretly keep a half orange in their cleaning kits? It's not for snacking. When you combine the natural enzymes of citrus with three basic household staples, you create an incredibly powerful, slow-release purifying system that changes everything. Most people waste hundreds of dollars a year on synthetic bathroom fresheners that lose their scent in days. But this professional-grade hack solves that permanently. Watch closely, because the exact order of how we mix this is critical to making it work. First, we are going to extract the fresh juices from our half orange directly through a funnel into a clean plastic bottle. The citric acid acts as a natural breakdown agent for hard water stains. Next, we add exactly 1 cup of your favorite fabric softener. This doesn't just provide a long-lasting premium aroma. The conditioning agents help create a protective barrier on porcelain surfaces. To stabilize this mixture, we add 2 teaspoons of standard salt. The salt acts as a natural preservative and alters the liquid's density, so it doesn't just instantly dissolve away. Finally, we finish the formulation with 200 milliliters of water to perfectly balance the concentration. Cap it tightly and give it a thorough shake until the solution turns a uniform, milky pastel blue. Now here is where the real magic happens, and why you need to follow this step precisely. Take a sharp knife and make small, strategic punctures near the upper shoulder of the bottle. We aren't cutting it open. We are creating micro-channels for a controlled, slow-release flow. Open up your toilet tank and submerge the bottle directly into the water reservoir. Because of the density mixture we created with the salt and fabric softener, the fluid won't rush out all at once. Instead, it will slowly infuse the water reservoir with every single flush. Replace your tank lid, and you are completely done. Every single time your toilet is flushed, a perfectly metered dose of citrus enzymes and softening agents cleans the bowl, prevents rings from forming, and releases an incredible, fresh fragrance throughout the entire space. It's cheap, it's professional, and it keeps your bathroom pristine for weeks. Try this out today and see the difference for yourself. To understand why this is a staple trick among professional cleaning agencies, you have to look at the chemistry of what's happening inside that tank. Standard store-bought toilet drops rely heavily on bleach or harsh chemical compressions that slowly corrode the rubber flapper and internal seals of your plumbing, leading to silent leaks and expensive repair bills. By utilizing the natural limonene found in the orange juice, we are introducing an organic degreaser that actively breaks down mineral scaling and biofilms without damaging your tank's delicate mechanisms. Meanwhile, the fabric softener acts as a surfactant, reducing the surface tension of the water. This means waste and hard water minerals literally cannot stick to the porcelain, effectively making your toilet bowl self-cleaning with every single flush. Lastly, the addition of sodium chloride, the salt, regulates the osmotic pressure of the fluid. It ensures that the fragrance and active cleaning agents bleed out in microdoses, rather than dissolving within the first 24 hours. You aren't just masking odors, you are deploying an engineered, low-cost preventative maintenance system that keeps your bathroom meeting luxury hotel standards around the clock.